Hi guys, this is Art, Foreign MRE, and today I've got a United States military MRE Halal chicken pesto pasta. So let's see what's inside. First thing we have is the chicken pesto pasta, 8 ounces, 340 calories. Butterscotch pudding, 210 calories, 4.5 ounces. Cranberries, 2 ounces, 200 calories. Package of Snackadoodles, 1.52 ounces, 200 calories. Beverage-based powder, grape, 1.2 ounces, 130 calories. Oatmeal cookie, 2 ounces, 300 calories. Flameless ration heater. Accessory pack. Package of napkins. Package of matches. White tip. Salt, pepper, 2 packs of sugar, wet nap, napkin, and a military spoon. And as everybody knows, we don't use this. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to get the ration heater going. I'm going to spare you my agony of trying to get this main in here. Okay, got it in. Of course, I ripped the cover, but no big deal. Add a little water. Do not overfill. Of course, we overfilled it. Get it good and wet. All right, we'll set this over to the side. Okay, first thing I want to do is open up the cranberries. All right, I lost my knife, so I'm improvising today. Check it out. Okay, let's open up the Snackadoodle mix. No idea what that is. Huh. Check it out. Do not eat. That means to me somebody has tried to eat this. The oatmeal cookie. Wow, and it's huge. And we're getting nothing on the flameless ration heater. Oh, but we are getting a mess. That's okay. All right. Let me move this out of the way. Got the beverage-based powder, grape flavor. And it says 12 ounces of water. Looks like we're pretty close to 12 ounces. And we're going to use the ForeignMRE.com spork. Always comes out dry. Set that over here out of the way. And now we have the pudding. I think what we might do, set that over here. Give it a quick little mix. All right. I'm going to open it this way instead of the long ways. Okay, we're getting absolutely nothing from the flameless ration heater. So let me try adding a little bit of salt. See if we can get it to kick off. If not, we'll go to plan B. We'll boil it. All right, give me a few minutes. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm back. It's pretty warm. The flameless ration heater ended up working pretty good. So again, I'm going to tear the end of it off. It has a tear notch for long ways. Ooh, and it's still pretty warm. All right, let's give it a try. Let's try the chicken pesto pasta first. Check it out. You can taste the chicken. There's a lot of chicken in there. Appears to be dark meat, but that's okay. I can taste basil. I can taste garlic. There's quite a bit of salt in it. Also pine nuts. It's very good. Let me try a little bit of pepper on here. See how that fixes it. Very good. A lot of herbs in there. Let's try the grape drink. Grape drink has a really good flavor to it. The only thing I don't like about it is sugar base. I prefer the sugar-free. So let's try some of these cranberries. And the cranberries are very good. They have a light coating of sugar to go with the sourness of them. Look at that. All right, so let's try the doodle mix. And it looks like there's a couple peanuts and I don't know, some cheese sticks, whatever. But let's give it a try. And I am very surprised, you know, with the pretzels and the cheese and the cheese sticks and the peanuts. That's a very good flavor. All right, look at this big old cookie here. That is huge. This oatmeal cookie is very, very good. Golly, I can't get over how good it is. It tastes like something your mother would make. Nice and fresh, not overly sugared, and it tastes like it has a little bit of cinnamon in it. It's very good. All right, so let's try the butterscotch pudding. I thought about putting this in the flameless ration heater, but I changed my mind. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. Butterscotch pudding is good. It's got a little graininess to it, but it still has a good flavor. I mean, it definitely tastes like butterscotch. So let's try the cookie with a little bit of the butterscotch pudding. The oatmeal cookie and the butterscotch pudding together, wow, it's good. So let's try a few cranberries with the butterscotch pudding. And that's pretty good too. Overall, let me rate this. The chicken pesto pasta is probably, I'd give it about a 9.5. Now this doodle mix, I'd give it a 10. The cranberries a 10. This oatmeal cookie is unbelievable. I'd give it a 10. Now the butterscotch pudding, I would give it probably a 9. It's got a little gritty flavor to it. Has a little gritty taste to it. But it tastes great. I mean, it tastes like butterscotch pudding. If it just didn't have that little bit of grit to it. And the grape drink, like I said, I prefer mine to be sugar-free, but it's still good. I'd give it a 10. So overall, this is a winner in my book. I give it about a 9.9. Let me know in the comments if you've had this ration and what you think about it. Is it a 9.9 to you or is it less? But now, I'm going to have lunch. Wow, that was good. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. It all helps the channel grow. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.